Good morning, students. Myself, Jeenu Malik. I will help you to understand Geography of Class 10th. Dear students, in our previous class, we have started chapter number 4, Agriculture, and discussed about the types of farming in that particular class. Today, we will discuss this chapter further and cover the following topics in today's class: cropping pattern and major crops. Let's start with the first topic, and that is the cropping pattern. Dear students, India has three cropping seasons. They are Rabi, Kharif, and Jayad. Before going to discuss them in detail, we must know what is cropping pattern. Dear students, cropping pattern is a dynamic concept. Why I called it dynamic? Because it change over space and time. जैसे प्लेस चेंज हो जाते हैं, एक प्लेस से दूसरे रीजन में हम जाते हैं, एंड जैसे जैसे टाइम चेंज हो जाता है, सीजन चेंज हो जाता है, तो क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न चेंज हो जाता है. दैट्स व्हाई आई कॉल्ड इट डायनेमिक. बेसिकली we can define it as the proportion of area under various crops at a point of time. आप ईयर में किसी पर्टिकुलर पॉइंट टाइम पर देखेंगे, तब उस टाइम पे आपको दूसरी क्रॉप्स दिखाई देंगी. उसके बाद सीजन चेंज हो जाएगा, तो आपको उसी सेम प्लेस पे दूसरे तरीके की क्रॉप्स देखने को मिलेंगी. सो क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न इज अ डायनेमिक कंसेप्ट. ये स्टैटिक नहीं है, फिक्स नहीं है. Dear students, farmer chose the crops for cultivation on basis of certain factors. वो factors कौन से हैं? Physical factors. That means landform कैसी है? Mountainous area है, plain area है, plateau region है, coastal region है, desert area है, arid soil है. तो कुछ physical factors पर depend होता है. Social factors and the economic factors. सोशल फैक्टर्स में हम कह सकते हैं कि कंजप्शन किसका ज़्यादा है, स्टेपल फूड कौन सी है, लोग ज़्यादा कंज्यूम कौन सी क्रॉप को करते हैं. उसके बाद फार्मर जो है वो देखता है कि उसके पास इन्वेस्टमेंट कितना ज़्यादा है, वो कौन सी क्रॉप्स को ग्रो कर सकता है, कितनी उसकी कैपेसिटी है, तो उसके अकॉर्डिंग भी वो चूज करता है कि उसे अपने फार्म लैंड के अंदर कौन सी क्रॉप्स को ग्रो करना है. सो इन कुछ फैक्टर्स पे फार्मर जो है अपना क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न डिसाइड करता है, चूज करता है. एंड एज यू ऑलरेडी अवेयर अबाउट द फिजिकल डाइवर्सिटी एंड द प्लूरलिटी ऑफ द कल्चर इन इंडिया, so these are also reflected in the agriculture practices and the cropping pattern in our country. आपको पता है कि कितना ज़्यादा इंडिया जो है वो डाइवर्स है, यहाँ के फिजिकल फीचर्स की कितनी ज़्यादा डाइवर्सिटी है, रिलीजन, रेस, कास्ट, फूड हैबिट्स, कल्चर. तो यहाँ पर बहुत सारी डाइवर्सिटीज हैं, और ये डाइवर्सिटीज जो है वो रिफ्लेक्ट होती हैं क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न के अंदर भी, एग्रीकल्चर प्रैक्टिस के अंदर भी. India is geographically a vast country with different landforms and varied climatic condition, and that's why it has various food crops and non-food crops, and all these crops are cultivated under these three main cropping season, and these are Rabi, Kharif and Jayad. Dear students, now we will discuss these three season in detail, but हम इन सीजन को कुछ सर्टेन हेडिंग्स के अंडर डिस्कस करेंगे. एंड दीज हेडिंग्स आर क्रॉपिंग सीजन, मींस हम देखेंगे कि राबी का क्या क्रॉपिंग सीजन है, खारिफ का क्या क्रॉपिंग सीजन है, जायद में कौन से सीजन में जायद क्रॉप्स ग्रो की जाती हैं. सो क्रॉपिंग सीजन, टाइम पीरियड, क्या टाइम इंटरवल रहता है, शोइंग सीजन क्या है, हार्वेस्टिंग सीजन क्या है, मेजर क्रॉप्स कौन सी हैं, एंड स्टेट्स कवर बाय द क्रॉपिंग सीजन. राबी क्रॉप्स जो है वो कौन से पर्टिकुलर एरिया में ग्रो की जाती है. सो हम इन पर्टिकुलर हेडिंग्स के अंडर अपने क्रॉपिंग पैटर्न को डिस्कस करेंगे. एक बार फिर से मैं रिवाइज कर देती हूँ हेडिंग्स को: क्रॉपिंग सीजन, टाइम पीरियड, मेजर क्रॉप्स एंड द स्टेट्स कवर बाय द क्रॉपिंग सीजन. नाउ लेट्स डिस्कस देम इन डिटेल. द फर्स्ट वन इज राबी क्रॉपिंग सीजन. Dear students, Rabi crops are sown in winter season from October to December and harvested in summer season from April to June. Rabi crops required warm temperature for germination, which present in October month and for their growing they required cool temperature which present in December and January. For their ripening they again need warm temperature which present in Feb and March. Rabi crops March में ripen हो जाती है, then harvesting done in the summer season from April to June. Important Rabi crops are wheat, barley, peas, gram, mustard, etc. Rabi crops are grown in large part of India, especially north and northwestern part of India such as Punjab, Haryana, Himachal Pradesh, Jammu Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Uttar Pradesh are important for production of wheat and other Rabi crops. Dear students, availability of precipitation during winter months due to the western temperate cyclone helps in the success of Rabi crops in these particular areas. विंटर सीजन में नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट में ही प्रेसिपिटेशन होती है, सदर्न इंडिया के अंदर नहीं होती, जिसके लिए रिस्पॉन्सिबल है वेस्टर्न टेम्परेट साइक्लोन. व्हाट इज वेस्टर्न टेम्परेट साइक्लोन? Western temperate cyclone, also called western cyclonic disturbance, which are the weather phenomena of winter months brought in by the westerly flows from Mediterranean region which lie around the Mediterranean Sea located in between Africa continent and Europe continent. They are extratropical storms that bring winter rain to the northwestern part of Indian subcontinent and help in the success of Rabi crops. Other than this, the success of Green Revolution in Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and some part of Rajasthan has also been an important factor in the growth of Rabi crops. ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन के बाद कैनाल सिस्टम इम्प्रूव हो गया था पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न यूपी एंड राजस्थान के अंदर, जिसकी वजह से राबी क्रॉप्स का अच्छा प्रोडक्शन लिया जाने लगा था नॉर्थ एंड नॉर्थ वेस्टर्न पार्ट के अंदर. नेक्स्ट इज द खारिफ क्रॉपिंग सीजन. Kharif crops are also known as the monsoon crops. Kharif crops are grown with the onset of monsoon, so the showing time may vary in different states of India as it depends on the arrival of monsoon. For example, in southern states like Kerala, Tamil Nadu, the seeds are usually shown in the month of May, whereas in the northern states like Punjab, Haryana, the seeds are shown in the month of June. Harvesting of Kharif crops are done in September to October. Important Kharif crops are paddy, paddy means rice, maize, jowar, bajra and different kind of pulses like tur, moong, urad. Along with this, cotton, jute, groundnuts and soybean are important Kharif crops. As you know that the rice is the staple food of India, so the most important rice growing region are Assam, West Bengal, coastal region of Orissa, Andhra Pradesh, Tamil Nadu, Kerala and Maharashtra, particularly the Konkan coast. Konkan coast started from Gujarat till Goa, so इस पूरी वेस्टर्न कोस्ट में राइस का अच्छा प्रोडक्शन लिया जाता है. अलोंग विद दिस उत्तर प्रदेश एंड बिहार. रिसेंटली राइस हैज ऑल्सो बिकम एन इम्पॉर्टेंट क्रॉप ऑफ पंजाब एंड हरियाणा. जब से पंजाब एंड हरियाणा में ग्रीन रेवोल्यूशन आया है, कैनाल सिस्टम अच्छा हो गया है, इरिगेशन सिस्टम इम्प्रूव हो गया है, तब से राइस का वहां पर भी अच्छा प्रोडक्शन लिया जाता है. राइस नीड्स लॉट्स ऑफ इरिगेशन. In states like Assam, West Bengal and Orissa, 3 crops of paddy are grown in a year called Oas, Aman and Boro. यहाँ पर आसाम, वेस्ट बंगाल और उड़ीसा में राइस एक सबसिस्टेंस क्रॉप है. इसका कंज्यूम वहाँ पर ज़्यादा किया जाता है, तो वहाँ पर राइस की डिमांड भी ज़्यादा रहती है, जिसके लिए वहाँ पर साल में 3 बार राइस प्रोडक्शन लिया जाता है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ हाई यील्डिंग वैरायटी सीड, वो कम ड्यूरेशन में ज़्यादा प्रोडक्शन देते हैं, जिनको वहाँ लोकली कॉल किया जाता है एज ओस, अमन एंड बोरो. Next cropping season is Jaid cropping season. Dear students, Jaid crops are summer season crops. They grow mainly from March to June. Jaid crops require warm dry weather as major growth period and longer day length for flowering. Zaid crop season comes between the Rabi and Kharif crop season. It takes some month of summer and some of the rainy season. Major crops producing during the Zaid cropping season are watermelon, muskmelon, cucumber, pumpkin, bitter gourd, some other vegetables and fodder crops. Along with this, sugarcane की showing भी start हो जाती है in Zaid cropping season, but sugarcane takes almost a year to grow, so it comes under the cropping pattern of Kharif. Now, let's discuss the next topic, and that is major crops. Dear students, a variety of food and non-food crops are grown in different part of our country, which depends upon the variation in soil, climatic conditions and the cultivation practices. So, mainly crops are divided under three categories. Number one, food crops with grains. Second, food crops other than grains. And the third category, that is non-food crops. Now we will discuss all these three categories in detail, starting with the first one, and that is food crops with grains. Under this category, we will discuss about the rice, wheat, millets, maize and pulses. Let's start with the first one, and that is rice. Dear students, rice is the staple food crop of a majority of people in India. We are the second largest producer in the world after China, and rice crop come under the cropping season of Kharif crops, which require high temperature and high humidity. It needs above the 25 degrees Celsius temperature and the rainfall above the 100 centimeter. The major producing area of rice, the plains of north, northeastern region, coastal region, deltic region. Along with this, the development of dense network of canal irrigation and tube wells have made it possible to grow rice in the areas of less rainfall such as Punjab, Haryana, Western Uttar Pradesh and parts of Rajasthan. Let's see these areas in the map. Here you can check the index, the major area in the darker shade and the minor area in the lighter shade. Here the eastern Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Jharkhand, West Bengal, Odisha, Chhattisgarh and these coastal regions along with the northeastern state. यहाँ पर मेजर एरियाज प्रोड्यूसिंग स्टेट हैं राइस के लिए, और ये लाइटर शेड है राइस प्रोडक्शन एरियाज की, पंजाब, हरियाणा, वेस्टर्न उत्तर प्रदेश और कुछ पार्ट यहाँ पर राजस्थान का और यहाँ पर कुछ पार्ट मध्य प्रदेश का. नाउ द नेक्स्ट क्रॉप इज wheat. Dear students, wheat is the second most important cereal crop. It mainly the staple food in north and northwestern part of country. Wheat जो है वो Rabi cropping season की crop है, so it require cool growing season and at the time of ripening it require bright sunshine. Wheat require 50 to 75 centimeter of annual rainfall which must be evenly distributed over the growing season. Means उसके पूरे growing season में उसे time to time irrigate करने की need होती है. If we talk about the important areas of wheat producing, so we can divide into two categories, the Ganga Satluj plain and the black soil region in Deccan Plateau. Major wheat producing states are Punjab, Haryana, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Rajasthan and some part of Madhya Pradesh. We can see them in our map. Here you can check the index. In the darker shade the major areas of wheat, in the lighter shade the minor areas of wheat. If we talk about the Ganga Satluj plain, then it covers Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Western Uttar Pradesh, Haryana, Punjab and some part of Rajasthan. And we talk about the black soil region of Deccan Plateau, then it covers the Madhya Pradesh and the Maharashtra region. Our next crop is millets. Dear students, Jowar, Bajra, Ragi, collectively known as millets in India. These are known as coarse grain. They have high nutrition value. Even millets are termed as the miracle grains or the crops of future because they can not only grow under the harsh circumstances but they are drought resistant crops that require fewer external input. Even millets are dual purpose crop. It is cultivated both as food and fodder. As I already told you that it is also known as the crops of the future because millets contributing to mitigating climate change as it helps in reducing the atmospheric carbon pressure. Now, let's discuss each one of them in detail. The first one is ragi. Dear students, ragi is rich in iron, calcium, and other micronutrients. It is a crop of dry region and it can grow in different kind of soil. For example, it can grow well on red, black, sandy, loamy, and shallow soil. If we talk about the producing state of ragi, then the Karnataka is the largest producer, followed by Tamil Nadu, Himachal Pradesh, Uttarakhand, Sikkim, Jharkhand, Arunachal Pradesh are some important producing state of ragi. Next is jowar. Dear students, jowar is the third most important food crop with respect to area and production after rice and wheat. Jowar is one of the most important food and fodder cereal crop cultivated across India. The advantage of this crop is that it can be cultivated in both Kharif and Rabi season. Just like ragi, jowar also has packed with calcium, iron, potassium, phosphorus, protein, fiber, etc. It provides the good antioxidant. Even jowar is also known to be heart healthy. That's why jowar roti is widely used in India for its health benefit. If we talk about the producing state, then Maharashtra is the largest producer of jowar, followed by Karnataka, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh. Our next crop is bajra. Dear student, just like jowar and ragi, bajra also have nutrition value. Bajra is rich in potassium, magnesium, fiber. If we talk about the growing condition, then bajra grows well on sandy soil and shallow black soil. If we talk about the producing state, then Rajasthan is the largest producer, followed by Uttar Pradesh, Maharashtra, Gujarat, and Haryana. Our next food grain crop is maize. Dear student, maize is used as both food and fodder crop. It comes under the Kharif cropping season which require temperature between 21 to 27 degrees Celsius और इसके लिए alluvial soil सबसे बेस्ट है बट इन द स्टेट लाइक बिहार जहां पर पॉपुलेशन डेंसिटी ज्यादा है ज्यादा लोगों के लिए फूड ग्रेन्स अवेलेबल कराना है सो वहां पर मेज को राबी क्रॉपिंग सीजन के अंदर भी प्रोड्यूस किया जाता है with the help of modern inputs like high yielding variety seeds, fertilizers, and irrigation. If we talk about the major producing state of maize, then Karnataka, Uttar Pradesh, Bihar, Andhra Pradesh, and Madhya Pradesh are the largest producer of maize. Our next topic is pulses. Dear students, India is the largest producer as well as the consumer of pulses in the world. हम वर्ल्ड में सबसे ज्यादा प्रोड्यूस भी करते हैं और कंज्यूम भी करते हैं पल्सेस को. These are the major source of protein in a vegetarian diet. नॉन वेजिटेरियन डाइट में प्रोटीन सोर्सेज बहुत होते हैं बट इन वेजिटेरियन डाइट मेजर सोर्स ऑफ प्रोटीन जो है वो पल्सेज हैं. मेजर पल्सेज ग्रोन इन इंडिया आर तूर, उड़द, मूंग, मसूर, पीस एंड ग्राम. हमें फ्रीक्वेंटली पल्सेस को इरिगेट करने की नीड नहीं होती सो पल्सेस नीड लेस मॉइस्चर एंड सर्वाइव इवन इन द ड्राई कंडीशन. बीइंग लेग्यूमिनस क्रॉप्स, all these crops except arhar helps in restoring the soil fertility by fixing nitrogen from the air. That's why these are mostly grown in the rotation with other crops. If we talk about the major producing of pulses in India are Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Maharashtra, Uttar Pradesh, Karnataka, etc. Dear students, our next topic will be discussed in our next class. Till then, stay happy and blessed. Do hard work. Bye bye. Thank you.